Good day guys, in this video we'll be fixing Roblox loading too long. So if it's loading too long for you, we can actually fix this in a few simple steps. First up guys, just navigate where you have your Roblox desktop shortcut and then just copy it. Alright, and you can just close this now. After that you press Windows R and you type in shell startup and press OK. And just paste this shortcut from Roblox into this folder, and the next time you open up your computer, log into your system, Roblox will be instantly launched and you don't have to spend time on loading it. Also guys, you can open up your Roblox folder under your username, app data and local, open it up, and then you can just delete this folder completely from here. As you can see, just press your right button and press on delete. This will erase and delete temporary files and speed up loading of your Roblox. And also if you're using the browser to play, you go to settings and in here type in cache and just go ahead and delete the data. This will also delete and erase temporary files in the browser and make it much smoother. That's it guys, enjoy short times and fast loading. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.